Question 47. We're demonstrating here yung source ng tax exemption. Ang tanong, which of the following is an example of constitutional tax exemption? So, hanapin natin yung constitutional tax exemption. Itong letter A, pag granted by BOI, this is not granted by the Constitution. Letter B naman ay pag granted by Internal Revenue Code, this is not an exemption of the Constitution. Exemption na ito ng special law or ng ating ng ating National Internal Revenue Code or RA 1997-8424. Ito namang letter C, immunity of the real property tax of the non-stock, non-profit school or from all property taxes provided the property is actually, directly, and exclusively used for educational. Ito naman ay galing sa Constitution. So, ito yung basic, isa sa mga example ng constitutional exemption. Ayun. So, letter C. Ito namang non-imposition of local taxes. This is taxes small scale with a gross receipts exceeding certain amount as provided by specific. Ito naman galing ito sa LGU. Hindi ito galing sa Constitution. Now, ang exemption of the assets dito sa non-stock ay, again, galing ito sa Constitution. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, ang tawag kasi nila dito ay self-executing. Hindi na kailangan ng batas para ikaw ay magiging exempted kung ikaw ay non-profit, non-stock school. So, exempted ka sa real property tax, yung RPT. Ang exemption na to ay hindi basta-basta siyang ma-revoke ng anumang batas. Why? It is because galing na ito sa Constitution. Unless baguhin nila yung Constitution, then magbago yung exemption. So, ganun yun. Now, unlike with the other exemptions na granted ng ibang mga batas ng tax, itong granted by the Constitution cannot be revoked easily.